everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
I'm aware of the damage EMF does to all beings, as well as to our connection and the beauty of our experience. Are there plans to turn all of our wireless technology into quantum tech as soon as the planet has had a certain level of disclosure? Is it a priority?
Yes, I think it would be. I think if we all truly understood how much of our environment is captured in all of these different frequencies, we would probably, at some level, many of us would voluntarily turn our phones off and throw them away. But that doesn't remove the towers and everything. There is other technology that is available or could be available that's locked up in the patent offices where we wouldn't need any of this. But you see, all of this infrastructure was set up to monitor, to contain, to manipulate consciousness, because it creates a grid, like a jail grid. And that was done on purpose, because we've been in jail. We have been, as Alex Jones would say, we've been on a prison planet. We just didn't know it. We didn't know we were in jail. So that's what this is really all about. They knew what they were doing. They knew very, very well what they were doing. We're the ones who didn't. Previous civilizations to this, the Chaldeans, the Sumerians, probably the Babylonians, maybe even the Mayans, they show technology in their stone carvings, cell phones, computers. They show technology that we use today, that they had thousands and thousands of years ago. They've taken us back to the future. Okay, we're using the old stuff and we think it's all futuristic, but it's actually the old technology that was left behind. That's all we're doing.
Thanks a lot for all the great work you do and your friends are doing. Do you have any idea if the Black League is still active and if they have now another name?
Yes, they're called the Galactic Federation. There's a few of us up there. They could be called the Galactic Alliance. I don't know. There's so many councils, and you need a scorecard at this point. But yeah, they're up there. There's freedom fighters everywhere. There are just some of us, regardless of age, regardless of spirit, regardless of the form we're in, we just can't stand bullies. We just can't stand it, and we're simply not going to tolerate it on any level or any dimension. And we're going to fight them. And that's the role we play. That's the role we like. That's our spot. That's our sweet space. That's where we fit in. You know, and it's a tough road to hoe. Sometimes you have to incarnate over and over and over again into the same situation. But you know, you do it because you're committed to the outcome. Because you realize that if you can eliminate this threat, then everybody else has an opportunity to become free and to be free. And freedom is worth the cost. It is. And once you have it, it's on you to keep it. It's on you to revere it. It's on you to teach others to be free. The ability to know thyself and to be free to experience what it is you want to create for yourself. I think that's one of the greatest gifts that God, the source, could have given us, is that opportunity to be, to cherish, to explore. Excuse me, I have a runny nose. And some of us continuously live those lives over and over and over again, just in different places.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.